Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process for how you can change name and picture on Google Meet. So for the process, you first open the Google Meet application on your mobile device. Once you're at the Google Meet app, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right. And there you need to tap on manage your account. Inside manage your account, you need to tap on personal information just beside the home. Tap on it. Now there on the basic information section, you can see the photo option. You tap on the photo option and you tap on set profile photo. Now there are two options how you can set a profile. That is, either you can take the picture right away and upload it, or you can choose your picture from your gallery. So tap on choose photo. Now from here you can upload the picture that you want. Now once you have chosen the picture, you need to tap on tick mark. Now you tap on accept. And with that, you will be changing the picture of your Google Meet and your Google account at once. And there you can see your profile picture has been changed. Similarly, to change the name, you need to tap on the name option over here. And then you change the name over here by tapping on these boxes. And you need to save that option as well. For that, you tap on save on the bottom right. Once you change the name, your first name, your last name, you tap on save. And your Google name or your Google Meet name will also be changed within your Google account. This is how you can easily change your profile picture and change name in Google Meet. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.